How to add Cash App to Apple Wallet. First, go ahead and open up Cash App on your iPhone. Look at the very bottom layout menu and tap on that little debit card icon. It's the second one from the left. Once you're on your card page, you'll see an option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. Just give that a tap. Now Apple is going to slide up a menu asking whether you want to add the card to your regular iPhone or your Apple Watch. For this tutorial, we're going to select the first one, iPhone. Next up, it's going to ask for your name and card number. Go ahead and type those in and then look up at the top right corner and hit Next. Standard legal stuff here, just look over the terms and conditions, and if everything looks good to you, tap Agree down in the bottom right corner. From here, you can choose if you want to make this your main default card or not. For right now, I'm just going to tap Not Now and then hit Done at the very bottom. And honestly, that is it. To double check that it worked, close out of Cash App and open your actual Apple Wallet app. You should see your shiny new Cash App card sitting right there at the top, completely ready to go. Super easy, right? Now that your card is linked, if you want to learn how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay seamlessly, click right here to watch my next video. Thanks for watching and see you there.